wash it in the bowl and then I'm going to dry it. Fast one for Daddy. Come right up.
You're gonna cut it too?
Going to cut this. Just be very patient because I do it very slowly.
Are you a professional?
I don't know about the cardboard part.
Oh, is that for presentation?
It's the starving part, Mama.
Oh, okay.
Is it what?
The serving part.
Starving part. No, Mama, pick your grape.
Why don't you just take your grapes and keep it there?
Why don't you pick one for me? Pick a nice one.
I pick one for Baba too.
Your Mama?
Oh, alright. I have to pick my own. It's part of the process. I'm gonna go with this one.
I think that a little bit of yucky one.
Oh, really?
It's fine though. It's a little yucky.
Daddy got a yucky one?
Can I pick mine too, Maeve?
Of course, I'm going to go Daddy, Mommy, Papa, then Papa, Daddy, Mama.
Okay, so I can pick my grape now.
Papa, this is so confusing. This grape is going to be for Mom, and then the next grape is going to be for you.
Okay,
And then,
so that's what I'm saying. I can take my grape now, right? I can take it in the bag and hold it in my hand.
okay, but don't eat it, Papa.
I won't eat it, but give me the grapes here. I have to choose my grape.
I'll give it in the bag. Sure.
Oh, yeah, that's for me?
I choose one.
You choose one for me?
Yeah, Papa, this is what he likes, but don't eat it.
Don't eat it? No? You sure?
I saw, but I'm going to wash it, and then you can eat it.
I cut it in half?
I'm going to cut it in half for you.
Okay, all right, thank you.
She's back from the bathroom. This one's gonna be for me, right?
So what are you serving the cardboard for?
Got a little soggy, but it's still okay. I'll get a different cardboard.
Where'd you get that
I
cardboard
like
to
it in
begin
the
with?
bowl better. I think I like it in the bowl.
Here's a cardboard.
The
No,
cardboard-
that's gonna break.
It's from a granola bar box. I mean, I think it's not the cleanest thing. I prefer mine in the bowl. Yeah, I like mine in the bowl, buddy. I like mine in the bowl.
Yours can be in the bowl, but that's a wall.
So Papa happy? I'm getting very hungry for my grape. How long is it gonna take?
Oh my God, Papa, you must be really patient.
I'll be waiting so patient to eat my one grape.
Papa, the next one is gonna be for you.
Okay, but can you speed it up a little bit?
I can, but I'm just very slow.
Oh, thank you. That's very fancy. The process.
Okay.
Now I'm going to wash your grape.
Okay, go. Can you just speed it up a little bit? Papa's so hungry for his grape.
I was taking speed up, but for the next one, it's going to be you first.
Okay, thank you. I get to go first. Because I've been so long.
Oh, look.
See my system, see? Come down, it's like right up.
Did you cut it?
I didn't cut that.
Oh my goodness. The process.
See, that's what happens when she's in a rush, she forgets. That's when you take your time, right?
Did yours get something in the bowl and this?
I got mine in the cardboard.
I'll take mine in the cardboard.
That's the fanciest way.
Can I get a kiss also with that? Of course. Thank you so much. Can I eat it now? Or is it wait?
It's ready.
It's ready to eat?
Yeah, I washed it.
You wash it? Oh my god. You picked this one for me?
Yes.
That's the most juiciest one. Wait, hold on a second now. Wait, do I get the first grape now?
You eating your grape right now?
I thought one more round?
No,
Or we done?
no. I cut it in 2 pieces.
No, but that's it. We're done with the grapes?
No, I